How to download Chrome extensions for installing on another computer. A computer I use does not have access to this URL website. I wish I could download the plugin and then use the file to install it, but the only option I have is to install. The plugin is downloaded to a temporary folder with a random name, and I'm not able to identify it.
Okay. I just found out that the accepted answers method is not working. It was actually working a few months back. So, when I came here to copy the link, I had forgotten. I found that it's not working. Here's what I did to get the CRX file. Note, you will need the Chrome extensions as id for this. I am referring it to as $id$. You can get the $id$ from the URL of the Chrome extension page. Go to Chrome's extensions page, chrome://extensions/. Enable the developer mode, check the developer mode box. Click on the Pack Extension button. Give the extension root directory as A. Unix.config/googlechrome/default/extensions/$id$. B. Windows, C column \users \, and LT, your _user_name and GT /updata/local/google/chrome/user data/default/extensions $id$. C. OSX/library/application support/google/chrome/default/extensions $$id$. Leave the private key field blank and click Pack Extension. You will find the .crx file in the same directory as ~/.config/googlechrome/default/extensions $$id$, or other respective directories for Windows and OS X. Note, the .crx file is just a .zip file. If all you want to do is to extract extension after getting it, you can just find the unpacked extension at and lt previous folder and gt /extensions $$id$. You don't need to follow above steps. You would need to follow above steps only if you specifically need the .crx file.
I've wondered how to do this too. I found this blog article that has the solution. I edited it to bring it up to date. Find the id of the extension you're interested in. When on the details page of the extension, it will be something like PLC after https://chrome.google.com/webstore/details/. Paste this into Firefox, not Chrome. https://clients2.google.com/service/update2/crx?response=redirect and amp, os equals win and amp, arch equals x64 and amp, os_arch equals x86_64 and amp, nacl_arch equals x8664 and amp, prod equals chromium crx and amp, prod channel equals beta and amp, prod version equals 79.0.3945.53 and amp, lang equals ru and amp, accept format equals crx3 and amp, x equals id %3d tilde %26 install source %3 on demand %26 UC and replacing tilde with the extension id. You'll be prompted to save a CRX file. Drag this file to a Chrome window and proceed with installation.
Since September 3, 2015, installing Chrome extensions offline no longer work, and here, due to Google trying to prevent malicious extensions being downloaded and installed. To install an extension offline today, require you to install a signed prepackaged full Chrome install, using Google's Chrome for Business. This functionality is controlled by a policy list. Or according to this post, you can use their dev or canary channels to run any extension. Their latest builds can be found here.
The URL has changed. If you want to get this extension, https://chrome.google.com/webstore/details/mobile simulator responses/kvbm.go-club-back-to-keep-fop. The ID is kvbm.go-club-back-to-keep-fop. Replace an LT, I.D. and GT with the kvbm.go-club-back-to-keep-fop in the URL. Now open it on Edge or Firefox.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.